Excel beginners, the following problem arises when dealing with a wide and long data table like this. As you scroll down the table, you may find yourself wondering, which month does this column represent? Similarly, when you slide the screen to the right, you might forget, which product does this row correspond to? To solve the problem, freeze the rows and columns that should remain visible while scrolling down or sideways. In this example, I want to freeze rows 1 and 2 for the months. And I will also freeze column A for the products. Choose the cell that is located below the row and to the right of the column you want to freeze. Then go to the View bar. Click on the Freeze Panes option. Then select Freeze Panes. The result is like this. The months remain visible when you scroll down. And the products remain visible when you shift the screen sideways.
12 basic worksheet skills for beginners.
Style. Color. Available on this channel since October 9, 2024. Frozen rows and columns can also be applied for printing and converting Excel files into PDF format. Here's an example of a PDF format prior to setting the frozen rows and columns. You'll notice that the months and products are not visible after the first page of the PDF. To set frozen rows and columns for printing and PDF format, follow these steps. Go to the Page Layout bar. Click on small toggle next to Page Setup. Choose Landscape Orientation. Go to the Margins tab. Check the option for vertical alignment. Go to the Header/Footer tab. In the Header section, choose Page 1 of. Go to the Sheet tab. Select Rows to repeat at top. Select the rows you want to freeze. Select Columns to repeat at left. Then select the columns to be frozen. Press Print Preview. As you can see, the months and products are visible on every page to be printed. Now, let's convert the table to PDF format. Open the result on File Explorer. Months and products are visible on every PDF page. If you are a beginner, just graduated or a newbie, make sure to always check out video playlists of this channel. Thank you for watching.